Good. Well, it's afternoon for me. Good day, YouTube land. This is a different video. Not gonna be a ton of action. It's gonna be short, sweet, and to the point. Kind of. I'm gonna do some videos, a series, if you will, of lifting tests with the tractor. It's a 2025r with a 120R. 20R? I don't know if it's got the R in it or not. 120R loader. It's a 2020 tractor. And I've done quite a bit of heavy lifting with it. And for the size of the tractor, it does a really good job. But I thought it would be fun. I'm always curious when I'm searching for stuff, especially when I was searching for information on the tractors before I bought this one, about what they could and couldn't lift. So I'm going to start a series on it. So if you have questions and you're curious, like, hey, what can this tractor lift? You know, with the bucket or forks or whatever. I've got bucket, I've got forks. It's really all I've got for the front, but hit me up in the comments and let me know what you want to see, and I'll try to accommodate it within reason. I can't go out and buy some stupid expensive thing because, first off, I don't make any money from YouTube yet, but I'm working on it. So, you know, maybe if I start making money, things will get more fun. But I'm gonna do this and then do another series that I'll comment on later. But I think it'll be probably more fun than this. So, appreciate y'all watching. Subscribe and liking. Hope y'all are having a good 2020 so far. Getting a walk in with my dog. So, I'll catch you later. Have a good day.